This video tutorial will provide you with a demonstration as to how to drop courses from your schedule via the drop add system on Hokie Spa. The first thing you need to do is to log into Hokie Spa with your PID and your password. If you have not yet enrolled in two-factor authentication, you will have to do so. Next, click on the Hokie Spa link at the right of the screen. Scroll down until you can see the registration, add drop, and schedule link. Click on this link to access the system where you can change your schedule. To access the system, click on the Drop Add, Register for Classes link. From the drop-down menu on the screen, select which term you wish to register. The University Registrar's website contains the dates for drop add for each semester. Click on the Continue link to proceed. View your schedule at the bottom of the screen. Be sure you know which courses you need to drop. You will use the Action drop-down menu to drop courses from your schedule. For instance, I will drop in Introductory Statistics. Select the Drop Web link from the Action drop-down menu beside the course that you want to drop. In this example, Introductory Statistics will be dropped. Note that this does not remove the course from your schedule at this stage. You have to click on the Submit button. Click on the Submit button to finalize the changes. After you click the Submit button, the course should be dropped from your schedule. The course will change from pending to dropped. Notice how Introductory Statistics is now dropped from the schedule. You are not allowed to drop the final course from your schedule. If you need to drop your last course, you will need to complete a resignation form and have it processed by the office. Thank you for watching this video tutorial.